Welcome to Cooking Made Easy with Lil Benny Seasonings. Today, we're cooking oxtails and gravy. So I have some olive oil in this bowl. I am going to pour it over the oxtails and I am going to toss these oxtails in this olive oil. And we're going to do this to create a binding agent for our oxtails once we put the deluxe steak and brisket on the oxtails. So as you can tell, I am seasoning all sides of these oxtails with this deluxe steak and brisket. So now we have the heat on our pan and we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're using this to sear the oxtails. And we're going to sear them on each side. And as we sear them, we're going to actually put them right over into the slow cooker. So this is a start. We're actually going to do 8 pounds. And boy, that's another big one right there. So we have 4 cups of broth, and we use 2 tablespoons of the Southern All-Purpose, and we pouring that right over the top of those oxtails. Now that's going to build on a real nice flavor profile. So now we're beginning the tempering process because it's been 8 hours. And as you can tell, the temperature is getting right where we want it. I'm looking at 202, 204, and 205 is perfect. And now I am beginning to slice just some tomatoes to go along with the dinner, along with the onions as well. So now Miss Benny is going to take over and make the gravy. She's got 4 cups of beef broth, 6 tablespoons of the fat drippings from the oxtails, and she's going to heat until hot but not boiling. Now she's going to actually add her cornstarch mixture. It is 4 tablespoons of cornstarch to a half a cup of water. And as you see, she is mixing it up right now. And she's going to pour it in and constantly stir. And she's going to bring to a boil. It's going to boil for 1 minute. Then she's going to add the secret ingredient, which is the Southern All-Purpose. Now, the drippings was the beginning of the seasoning process, but this is the end. Now she's going to put that in there, she's going to mix it up, and she's going to cut the heat down. So once she cuts the heat off of that, that is going to allow those seasonings to cook, because we really don't want to burn the seasonings. Ooh, look good. Okay, so she has turned the heat off and she's putting the top back on. And man, there it is, guys. Those wonderful oxtails. This is a must-try recipe. You will not be disappointed. If you follow this step by step, you will not be disappointed. It will be tender. It will be flavorful. And you want to build on layers of flavor, use those 2 of Lil Benny seasonings, the Deluxe steak and brisket and the all-purpose, Southern All-Purpose, okay? Perfect.